With quantum computing advancing at an unprecedented pace, countries are moving to protect their digital front lines. Recently, China introduced a major step, a draft for a quantum-proof communication protocol designed to protect against future cyber threats from quantum computers. So what does this mean for global cybersecurity and why is it so urgent? Quantum computers operate on principles like superposition and entanglement, making them capable of solving complex problems in seconds. This power could, however, also dismantle today's encryption. Current systems like RSA and ECC rely on difficult problems that would take classical computers eons to break, but with algorithms such as Shor's, quantum machines might easily crack them, putting sensitive data at risk. China's proposed quantum-proof protocol addresses this risk. At an event in Sweden, Chinese scientists shared a draft developed with international experts that received unanimous approval. This protocol aims to provide guidelines for a world protected against quantum-based cyber threats. Zhang Lulu, head of China's wireless LAN authentication and privacy infrastructure, explained that the protocol is meant to lead global communication networks to adopt post-quantum cryptography, aiming to secure all data from potential quantum-enabled attacks. But China isn't alone in this. The US, through its National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, has also developed quantum-safe standards. This month, NIST released 3 quantum-resistant encryption algorithms intended to secure everything from financial data to private messages. After an 8-year review involving global cryptographers, these standards are ready to be implemented immediately. Post-quantum cryptography, unlike quantum key distribution, doesn't rely on quantum mechanics but instead uses mathematical challenges that quantum algorithms are believed to struggle with. Methods like lattice-based cryptography are key to China's proposed protocol, which offers guidance for the secure transition to quantum-proof encryption. However, transitioning to quantum-proof protocols is complex. Quantum-resistant encryption requires heavy resources, which may affect network speed in systems like finance and government. Establishing global standards is also challenging. While NIST and China work on their versions, an encryption arms race could lead to conflicting standards, complicating secure communication worldwide. China has been a leader in quantum technology for years. In 2016, it launched the Michus satellite, the world's first quantum communication satellite, to secure communications over long distances. Now, by developing a quantum-proof protocol, China is further positioning itself as a leader in global cybersecurity for the quantum era. As we prepare for a quantum world, China and the US are racing to secure their data. And while these protocols are still in development, the message is clear. The time to prepare for a quantum-resilient world is now. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Share your thoughts on the future of quantum technology and cybersecurity. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insights on cutting-edge innovations.